The grill idea came from Ray and I as kids. We would always grill together in the early 90s. We were roommates and we'd spend our days thinking about what are we going to grill tonight.
I've always been a passionate griller, so I had this idea kicking around in my head for years to make the ultimate barbecue grill from a griller's perspective.
And then fast forward to 2009, Ray picks up the phone one day and calls me. He says, "Hey, I've got this great idea. We could build the ultimate barbecue grill." And I thought about it for a few days and I said, you know what, that could be fun. And so here we are.
My goals were simple. I wanted to bring back old school customer service, and I wanted the grill to be built like a tank, something you'd be proud to have in your backyard and something that would last a lifetime.
You know, recteq over the years evolved from being just an idea scratched out on a napkin to, getting our first building. It was a small 4,000 square foot building.
And that included the office and the warehouse. And so I wore a lot of hats those days. I was the janitor. I cleaned the restrooms every day. During the day, I spoke on the phone and talked to potential customers and told them how great recteq was. And at night, I wrapped the grills and palletized them. And first thing in the morning, after doing my janitorial work, I loaded them up on trucks and drove the forklift.
It's kind of crazy to see how this thing's grown over the years.
So now, with hundreds of employees, we've come a long way. It's amazing to see how far we've come.
Some of my best memories about, building what we have here at recteq are just watching my wife go from a place where we had a gas grill and she was afraid to go out and light it because the poof of the flame would just make her crazy. And now she'll go out and fire, whether it's a bullseye or a 700, she'll go out there, press a button, set a temperature, walk inside, prep her food, go out and put it on there, and she's a grilling pro now. It's awesome to see that now.
recteq has changed my family in a lot of ways, but mostly it's what I'm most proud of is my son got to see me build something from the ground up and watched its success, and to see him be so proud of me to build something like this really makes me proud.
So moving into this new large facility is really great for recteq and the recteq family in that we have all the space we need for inventory, to support people, to help make sure that we take care of the recteq family, but even better than that is the community here. So the community is supported because we let them use the facility to come and host events here on site. Plus we're able to host academies here, so people come from all over the country to come here to learn how to be the best barbecuer they can be, and that supports the local economy here as well. So it's really a win-win for everyone.
So it just works out because we were able to remodel this and set it up exactly how we wanted it to facilitate our needs for us and for our customers.
The future for recteq in my mind is, we're out there and there are people that know about us, but there are still people that have no idea what recteq is or what we're about. So, the idea that eventually this company is going to be known by everyone and it's going to be a household name, that's the future that we see for recteq, and it's awesome to watch it grow in that direction and continue in that way. And as long as we stay true to our core principles of great products, great pricing, and great customer support, it's going to get there.